Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an eyeshadow palette review and a little bit of like a tutorial type thing. You can see how I created the look. Anyway, so today we are going to be playing with and reviewing the Moira Cosmetics Sweet Paradise Destiny Eye and Face Palette. Here it is in all of its glory. It's a large palette, and let's open her up here. So we've got a bunch of eyeshadows and then some highlighters right here. I hadn't heard of Moira Cosmetics until I saw them at the makeup show LA, but they have a bunch of stuff. They actually have skincare too. I am wearing underneath my makeup their water cream. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, I really like that stuff. I'm gonna do some swatches and show you guys some of the colors while I go over some details about the palette. This palette is $22. Our Sweet Paradise eyeshadow palette features 20 bold and vibrant eyeshadow shades, 3 highlighters, and 1 blush, letting you make a statement for any occasion. It is cruelty-free and vegan. So basically, to swatch these, I dip in with my finger like that, drag it across one time. I haven't blended, haven't done anything extra. As you can see, I did not try to perfect the swatches. Unfortunately, the camera wasn't recording as I was swatching, so here we are. And there we have the highlighters. I'd like to go ahead and give my final thoughts on the palette since I already played with it, and for those of you who just want the review, you can kind of get the gist of it. And then if you want to stick around for the tutorial, you can do that too. The pigment of these shadows is absolutely insane. Like, a little bit goes such a long way. I did use a nice sticky base. I used Dermacool makeup cover for my eyeshadow primer, and I like it. It's nice and sticky, and it really grabs the pigment and it makes the eyeshadow stay there. They are very powdery though, so you're going to want to put down a lot of loose setting powder if you're going to do your face first or just do your eyes first. Lots of kickback. They can kind of get all over the place too. Like, you can see there's a little bit of red here in the highlighter, but no big deal. You know, you can just, you know, do one of those. And if you have a table that's like not too slippery like mine, you can sit it upright. Oh my god, it was a little stiff, but you just bend it and then it closes with a magnet. You know, I was thinking like, oh, maybe I'll get some Morphe palettes, like maybe I'll try them, because this kind of reminded me of Morphe palettes. I don't want to talk shit on something I've never tried, but this blows the old Morphe palettes out of the water. I haven't tried recent Morphe palettes yet, but this is freaking ridiculous, and I can't, I'm so pleased. If you want to hang out and see my kind of first impressions and me play with the palette and see how I created this look, then let's fucking do it! Okay, so I'm gonna prime my lids with the Dermacool makeup cover, because it's nice and pigmented. It's gonna cover up any sort of discoloration or leftover staining from practicing. And it's nice and sticky, so it's going to make the perfect sticky base for the eyeshadow and help it look more pigmented. I like putting it on the top and bottom of my eyes. Okay, so I want to do a super cute and colorful rainbowy look, and I'm going to just try to use as many colors as I possibly can in this palette just so we can really test it out and get the full gist. So let's get started on that. So I'm dipping into Carefree first. Gonna pop that in the inner portion of the eye. Next up, Wonderland, and that's gonna go right next to the yellow. I'm keeping a clean brush on hand just to blend out the edge. I kind of feel like just using the same brush for each color really helps them kind of like blend all in together. Let's do this color next. Promised Sun. Next up, let's grab Dark Paradise. Wow, that color is freaking pigmented. Alright, next we're going to take the really dark blue called Cool Waves, the lower lash line. That color blends out to a beautiful, lighter version of what you see in the pan. So I just kind of stamped it, and now I'm just gently blending it out because it's pretty dark. Kind of want to push that color up into the outer V area so it meshes with the purple. Right next to the very dark blue, we're going to take Feel Good Blue right here. This one has a little shimmer in it, so it is going to catch the light a little bit. Next to that, we are going to take Green Please and start moving it towards that yellow. Try and keep it on the lower part of the tear duct only, so that the cool colors are down here and then the warm colors are down up there. You get what I mean. And then just to add a little bit of golden yellow, beautiful shimmer to the inner corner, we're going into the yellow highlighter called Sweetest, and that just right on top of that yellow shadow. I can't believe it. Okay. Alright guys, so right now I'm creating a killer wing using this liquid eyeliner that I just found digging around in my drawer, and oh my god, it's amazing. It's matte, it was easy to apply, and it is old as fuck and it's still not dried out. So this is the LA Colors Smudge Proof liquid eyeliner, and I think I got this from Shop Miss A. Why have I been sleeping on this shit? Look at how long the wand is. Look at that shit. Okay, so now I'm going to try to create an even wing on both sides. We'll see how that goes. Like, look at that. Did you see that? Because I barely saw it. It happened so quick. Okay, the wings are as good as they're gonna get. Just gonna pop a little black pencil in my waterline. Okay, and then really up close next to the lashes, like right where the lashes grow in, we're gonna put some black. So let's dip into Frenzy with a tiny flat brush. Like, it could be an angle brush, it could be a flat brush, just anything like really tiny and small like that. Tiny and small. It can't just be tiny or small. It has to be both. And then get really up close. You know, get some eyeshadow in your eye. That's always fun. Okay, so now I'm just going to wipe away this fallout, and I'm gonna finish up my face really quickly, and I'll be right back and we'll finish up the eyes. Hey, sweetie. I've got my face on. As you can see, we're gonna curl the lashes and pop some mascara on. Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. And then I'm just using the same lashes I've been kind of like stuck on lately, which is Kayla by Ruby May Cosmetics. Based on the swatches, this is really pigmented and kind of dark. I already put on a teensy bit of blush. Let's pop the tiniest bit of that as like a little blush topper moment. So much came off. Oh my gosh. That's pigmented. I don't know if that's supposed to be a highlighter or a blush. I think you could totally use that as a blush. For highlight, I want to dip into this one right here, Luna. It looks like it kind of has like a soft pinkish glow to it. Yeah, it totally does. Okay, so for me, that's definitely more of like a blush topper. It looks bright white, but it is straight up pink reflects. We'll get a little bit of that on the forehead. We already put Sweetest in the inner corner, and I like that nice pop of yellow. What I really want to try is this Delicious. Let's put that on our nose. Yeah, bitch. This is what I was hoping that this was gonna look like, but I'm just so glad that they have this eyeshadow as an option for if you want a pure white highlight. We didn't try the light blue highlighter, unfortunately. Just not what I needed today, but that's really pretty. That's like a silvery light blue. If I was doing like an all cool look, that would be great. I know I do black lipstick all the time, but at this point, what do you expect, bitch? Alright guys, and here is the finish. It just hit my hair light. Here's the finished look. I'm really proud of how this turned out. For me personally, I never used this many eyeshadows at once. I never used this many colors at once. It was really stepping out of my comfort zone doing something like this, and I was a little scared. Pardon me if there's black gloss on my lips. It's very hard to not have that happen. But yeah, wow. I just so like pleased with this palette and proud of this makeup. Yeah, I know I paired it with a black lip. It's just my style, but I think you could pair this with a lot of different colors. Any of the colors that are in this eye, or you could do a nice nude would look cute as well. So, you know, let me know what you guys think. I absolutely love hearing from you, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!